Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Zeb Community YouTube channel, Sehri number 17, Wednesday morning. And you know what? I had a lovely sleep. I went to sleep 10 o'clock and I woke up at 3 o'clock. 5 hours, undisturbed, beautiful sleep. And you know what? I woke up hungry. Come down to the kitchen, I thought, wow, I'm going to have a kebab burger, some kebabs there from last night. There's some burger buns, I'm going to have a kebab burger, but Usman's turned up and he's saying, let's have an egg. Hey, you want to make an egg? You can make me an egg? Let's have a look, see if you can make me a murdered egg again. Or a kebab. Pizza bread's in. Chilies. And 4 eggs. Alright, it's egg day. Made a lovely kebab yesterday. I've got to say, there's beautiful little tomato in the middle of it as well. Yeah? So, it was a good little lift party. Usman's going to make a murdered egg today, or should we have a kebab burger instead in the morning?
You can't eat kebab 3 in the morning. Not good. Huh?
3 in the morning kebab?
3 in the morning
Kebab burger is good
bad.
any time in the morning.
Yeah. Well, that's the situation there. And there, I've got away with it too. You didn't sleep, have you?
Lovely sleep.
Huh?
But the don't much work, that's enough, man.
In the bed?
Put it on
You
the
don't
bread.
on the bed?
Yeah, put it on the bread.
Yeah.
Put it on the bread.
On the bread.
I've had a lovely sleep and I'm going to have a lovely sleep later on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How?
Oh, there's that murdered eggery that you make the murdered proper egg. Let me add about 2 bits to it, yeah? I was going to make an omelette, but the guy just decided to break it up. So, I'm going to murder the egg again today. Ha! We are ready, Shwaka, drink all of we are ready.
God, cooking is a lot of little things done right.
Alright, Shamana.
Yeah. Takes its time. Yeah. Cooking, a lot of little things done right.
You're ready, Shwa. Oh. You can't beat a cup of tea in the morning. Yeah. I say, Ruja 17, not bad, is it?
Not bad, go and stick it
Not
over.
bad. Not bad. Ruja almost there. That's the right, and I'm not going to know. What the hell you do?
Got his egg gun. Killed.
Yeah, but just bring it, man. That's it. Don't put too much salt on it. Bas.
Okay, that's done there. Egg is done. Egg is complete.
You get as much work as you will take the lava.
What do you think? Great. Good to go.
It's okay. It's alright. You can live on that egg. Can enjoy my egg. We're packing, but we're going to kebab sandwich. We're going to have a kebab burger. But we'll have an egg. I fancy a cold drink as well. Anyway, let's try the egg. I say we're going to have a mazauka. Energy to get all. Yeah.
The 3 o'clock in the morning energy. Want to get big? Eat your eggs. I haven't been taking that advice, but yeah.
Ha! Anyway, breakfast mo ko, chapale mo cha, cup of tea, egg mo kholo. And
Chocolate.
no chocolate for me. Can I? And had a lovely sleep. There's nothing else to report. What did we make it, Sehri? Kebab.
Kebab.
Lovely kebab. Kebab sandwich.
Really fancy.
I don't want chocolate.
Good old caramel.
If I'm having anything, no, I don't want a chocolate.
Tikka.
No, the flake looks nice. No, I'm not gonna eat it.
Flake.
No, I don't want it. I don't want it.
I have a flake. Flake.
Man, that's quite a morning
Eat
kid.
it, it's good. You don't want to eat it, I'll eat it. Huh?
Anyway, put in the comments if you enjoying the videos, not enjoying the videos. Gure, no gure. I don't come on. What's going on? Like पे क्लिक share पे क्लिक subscribe पे क्लिक इस्तेमाल लिखे viewing की करे.
Too much.
So the moment you make right, the rock to can zare the money kill. Ha.
A flake in the morning will keep you flaky. You want to be flaky?
You know the best thing. You don't have tea in the morning, do you?
Mm-mm.
You have tea at all. Tea is the best thing you can have in the morning. Can't go wrong.
When it's a lemon ginger tea with fennel seeds, it's nice.
Ah, well, you can have that in the morning. Yeah, you can have it. That's more healthy tea. But you can't get going in the morning unless you've had a cup of tea.
I get it. I get why people are thinking to tea, but what about coffee? A lot of
Same
people
thing,
love the
yeah. Coffee, same thing. Coffee, tea, same thing. But unless you've had that hot drink in the morning,
I think an orange juice can give you that charge,
probably can.
or cranberry juice.
They probably can, but it's not as good as the tea. I don't think so. Made the call.
Made the call, got the donut, so we're gonna fry it up here, yeah. I'm gonna put it into a pita bread. Oh, I'm gonna get Donna. Donna time. It's time to eat Donna.
Oh, it's got to be done. A paratha and some more dupati. 3 o'clock in the morning. You're taking the biscuit, mate.
Well, I had the we live on. Great.
Shows on the cooker. All the eggs on the cooker. All the doner kebabs on the cooker. You know what you could have done? Put the egg in that doner kebab.
Hey, that would have been alright.
Yeah.
I had the Donna then. That's big. There's one or the orange.
You know what you do? I'm going to slow the heat on it. Yeah. And then it will soon be rather than burn the heat.
Something stolen.
Get the paratha and chuck it in the paratha like a kebab paratha roll.
You got one with big.
A kebab paratha roll. So what you done? Doner kebab?
Donna and pizza bread, yeah? With a bit of salad. I think that will go a long way. I'm gonna give that a taste. You want some?
No.
Yeah. Donna, good morning. Yeah. We go salad first. You all know the rules. Salad goes in because we're on a diet.
Because you're on a diet.
On goes the Donna. Yeah. Well, that you can eat the classic. I don't even.
But
need
you
to-
don't do anything with
You
that.
don't need to do
You don't need to
anything.
roll that up.
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
I know we've been having plenty of wraps and whatnot, but this does not need to
That
be more.
looks gorgeous. A bit of sauce and you're done.
Yep.
Anyway, enough for the morning. From an egg to a pita doner to a paratha doner. Anyway, very nice. See you on the next video. Need to have another cup of tea later.
The cat's enjoying peace lava as well. Hey cat.